Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Online Dua. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notification about our new videos. So in today's video, what I'm going to tell you today, this spell is very powerful and very easy. So please do with for only for good works. Okay, do not do for wrong intention. Do not do for harming someone else. So if you have to do this remedy, if your love is true, okay, and you are true, if you want to get it from your heart, then only you have to do it. So let's start, friend. I'm telling you how to do it. First of all, you have to make a box. You have to do one thing. You can use scale or straight line also. If I use, it will take some time. Okay, you have to do one thing. You have to make 9 box. Again, you have to make 9 box. Afterwards, what you have to do, you have to write what I'm writing right now. You have to start from the right side, which is 8. Then you have to write 1. If you are able to see, you have to do like this. You have to write again 9. Then you have to do one thing again 1, because our true love is only one. Then you have to do one thing again, write this. You have to do this. Then afterwards you have to do one thing. You have to make this sign. You have to make this sign. If you are able to see, then after you have to do one thing. You have to make this sign. If you are able to see, you have to do like this. Again, you have to make a body. If you are able to see, just copy it. Don't need to do anything. Here you have to do one thing. You have to write the name of Allah. You can use your language also, in Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, English, France, Spanish, any language you can use it. Then you have to write your name. For example, I am Sam, and I'm doing this remedy for my girlfriend. She is Jashina. Okay, you have to write full name. You can see there is no more space, so you have to make in a proper way. Then you have to do one thing. You have to write here her name, like I am the boyfriend of Jashina, so again you have to write her name, Jashina. Again put plus sign and write Binte. If you are a girl doing for Sam, you have to write Sam plus Bin. Again you have to do one thing, put plus sign and write the name of Allah. You have to do this. Afterwards you have to cut this in this way and make like this. Okay, what you have to do with this, after preparing this, you have to do black with the black thread like this. And what you have to do, you just need to bury it in the land. Okay, you have to bury it in the land, and it is the same where no one comes and goes. Okay, nor there is any dirty place. You don't need to bury it in a dirty place. Okay, you have to do this 4 times, 4 days. You have to start this on Tuesday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. Means on Friday you have to you have to complete this work. After doing this, you will see the result. On the 5th day, your lover will come to you and speaking to you, meet to you, try to contact you. This is the result of this work. If you like this video, then please like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.